In this video, I'm going to quickly explain what the BeReal app is and how it works. I'm also going to go over how all its main features work. It's important for you to understand the concept of the BeReal app before we dive straight into the functionalities. The base concept is that all BeReal users get a push notification sent to their smartphones once per day at exactly the same time for all users. The time this notification gets sent out will be different every day. From the time you receive the notification, you'll have 2 minutes to take a photo with both your smartphone's front and back camera at the same time, and then post it. The purpose of the timer is to make sure the users have to post an authentic representation of what they're actually doing at that point in time. This is how BeReal is trying to distinguish itself from its competitors, on which most people only post their highlights and best moments that aren't actually representative of their lives. So, let me show you how to sign up for a BeReal account. Alright, so here you just have to click on continue a couple of times after opening the app, and the first thing it'll ask you is your name, so just enter your name and click on continue. Then it asks you for your birthday, and you can see the format on screen. It's 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and 4 digits for the year. So for example here this is the 8th of May 2000, and then it's gonna ask me for my phone number, so let me enter that, and then you'll receive a code sent to your phone number via SMS, and you're just gonna have to enter that, and you can actually click on resend if it doesn't get to you after 60 seconds. And then it'll ask you for a username, which has to be unique, so you can't. And you can always change it later though, so yeah. Okay, click on continue again, and then you can allow access to your contacts in order to find some friends if you want to do that right now. Otherwise you can also do that later without sharing your contacts. After setting up your account, make sure you have the notifications enabled by going here under the settings. The next thing to do would be adding your friends. So to get started with adding your friends, you just go to the top left corner where it says friends, and then you have 2 options. You can either add them by username, by searching for their username here, as you can see, and then clicking on the search icon, and there you see, now you can just click on add friend and it'll send them a friend request. And then the other way of doing it would be to allow access to your phone contacts by clicking on search in phone contacts. And yeah, so you can also do that. And you'll have to click on allow. And then it'll search through your phone contacts, and it'll come up with a list of your friends, and you can then decide to add them, or you can click on the X in order to remove them from this list. So yeah, that's how you do that. Now let me walk you through how you would go about creating a post on BeReal. Once you receive the notification for the day, which looks like this, you can just click on it to open the BeReal app. And by the way, you can also post a BeReal late if you missed the notification or are busy with something. It will, however, show on your post that you posted it late. Alright, so let me show you here. This is the notification, and I'm gonna click on it. Or actually I'm gonna open the BeReal app, and yeah, so right here you can see I can't access any of the content yet before I make my own post, and this is the same for discovery and the my friends tab. So now I need to allow some permissions, so I don't have to allow the location permission though if I don't want to. Okay, and now as you can see I have 2 minutes, and the button I just showed you in the middle is going to take a photo, and then the right one changes your main camera, and then the one on the left is to enable the flash and disable it. Okay, so now let me show you how to actually take the photo. Just click it, and then it'll take a photo with your main camera first, and then the second camera a few seconds after. And yeah, so you can see it's taken 2 photos, and now I can click there to save the photo to my gallery, or I can just click to send it, and then I can choose who to send it to. My friends only is the first option, that's always enabled, and then the other option is everyone, so send it to discovery, then everyone will be able to see it. And then you can choose to either share your position or not. That button doesn't work for some reason. But yeah, you can also save it again. And now I'm going to click on send. And now it's been uploaded and posted. After posting your BeReal for the day, you can now view other people's BeReals. First, you'll be on the Friends tab, where you'll be able to see your friends' BeReals of the current day. There's only my own post right now, but the others will look similar. So as you can see, there's a caption, which I can also edit, since this is my own post. And then below that, you can see how many retakes it took me. And then when you scroll down, you can see the comments on that BeReal, and you can also add a comment. And then, since this is my own, I can also change the audience for the BeReal if I decide I only want my friends to be able to see it. You can, of course, also share this specific post here. Then there is also the Discovery tab, on which you can see the BeReals of random people that you haven't added as friends. As you can see on posts of others, there's also this emoji button, which lets you react to the post with a so-called RealMojis, which is basically meant to let you take a photo of yourself recreating the emoji. Then you also can click on the second photo in order to view it in full screen, and when you click on someone's profile, you can add them as a friend. And you can also see that you can have a bio on your profile. So let me show you how you can change your bio. You just click onto your profile and then the three dots. So here you can change all your profile information, like your profile picture, your name, your username, your bio, and also your location. Another feature of BeReal is that you can view your past BeReals from your profile, and then under Memories. Clicking on View All Memories will show you a calendar with all your past BeReals. If you would like to deactivate the saving of your past BeReals, you can do so by going to your settings and clicking on Memories. And this option will also permanently delete all your current memories. So be aware of that. Apart from that, you can also change your time zone in the settings and clear your cache in case you have any issues with the app not working. Here you can also find the option to delete your entire account, and you can also log out of your account. This is everything you need to know. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and let others know that it was helpful in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!